Tools: level bar, stiff bristle brush or sponge, plastic pail, electric mixer, mason's trowel, notched trowel, tile spacers, rubber mallet. Surface preparation. The surface must be fully cured, structurally sound and stable, level, clean and free of paint and contaminants such as dirt, dust, loose materials, oils, chemicals, etc. Mixing. Pour water in a plastic pail and add ABC Tile Adhesive. Mix 2 to 3 minutes to attain a smooth, lump-free and pasty consistency. Let mixture rest for 15 minutes. Mix again briefly before use. Application. Dampen concrete surface before adhesive application. Apply tile adhesive with a notched trowel, combing in a straight manner 1 square meter at a time. For large format tiles or tiles with a smooth back surface, apply scratch coat at the back of each tile and let dry before using the double spreading adhesive method. Install tiles within 20 minutes mortar open time. During open time, the mortar's adhesive strength is most effective. Use tile spacers for proper alignment. Position and adjust tiles within 15 minutes using a rubber mallet.
ABC, sigurado ka dito.